Once were conducted, some teachers say they still need more time and a deeper understanding of the framework's implementation.
Hapyawan lang po yung ilaw framework. Ano po, hindi po talaga siya nakafocus sa ilaw framework lang. Inilatag nila lahat ng pagbabago ng yon ng isahan, pero walang pagsasanay na naganap. Kinakailangan talaga na bigyan ng focus yung ilaw framework. Gayong kami po kasing mga guro yung gagamit at gagawa nito.
The ELO framework is built around 4 key components: intentions, learning experience, assessing learning, and ways forward, aiming to streamline lesson planning. However, DepEd clarifies that ELAW is not a new template, as it still allows teachers to retain their existing formats, as long as the core components are present. Yet for educators, adjusting to the new approach will take time and more.
Kailangan magbigay po sila ng sapat na training para dito, sikaping magbigay pa ng mas malinaw na guidelines at patuloy pong konsultasyon sa mga guro.
Yung mga tools gamit na pwede po namin magamit, software, digital tools na available po sa mga teachers para nang sa ganun po ay may magagamit din ng teachers at hindi po iba-iba ang interpretasyon. Kasi interpretasyon po ang number one problem eh.
In the end, DepEd acknowledges the adjustment challenges, assuring teachers that technical support will continue throughout the implementation.
I want to emphasize that we are companions. We are walking with them through the implementation of the different policies. We sincerely believe that the policies will do all of us well, that the policies will help in the attainment of learning outcomes.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.